guys. So yeah, it is Friday, May the 26th. I don't really know how much space my up on or something here. I mean, I really too try to catch my background coming. I don't really want anybody to know where me there. But what was I gonna come on here and say again? I have a little rant. Did I have a rant? I know there was something I wanted to talk about, but I think I caught a blank. But in regards to my last vlog, me talking about the whole supporting people and stuff like that, you know, it is what it is. Like, if you were doing something, you would want people to support you 100% if you're going to support people. So the people who took offense, take with themselves, thank you. And I appreciate everyone who was talking about me leaving or anything like that. Let me tell y'all. There may not be a lot more of me here on YouTube. Not even so much in regards to the numbers and everything like that, but life is just happening and it may not fit into what I want to do. Like, not saying I may take myself away from it 100%, but maybe vlogging I may not do anymore. It's still early for me to decide exactly what it is that I want to do, but we shall see. But yeah, you know what I mean? And it's like, I don't necessarily want to take myself away 100% because there are some of you guys who really, really, really do love and support me. And I feel like a lot of you guys have been with me since I've started YouTube, and I don't want to just leave you guys high and dry. Even though, like, some of you guys, I have your numbers and we text and talk off on the side, or I have you on Snapchat where it's a little bit kind of more personal. And you know, some people email me on a regular and stuff like that. So I've built relationships around a lot of the support that I've gotten here on YouTube. So I don't just necessarily want to leave you guys high and dry. But again, we shall see. But yeah, if I really remember what it was entirely that I was going to rant about, then I will come back and obviously update you guys. But if not, then I'll just catch you guys later. I am going home now, so when I get home, I guess I'll come back to you guys. Until then, bye. So my ass went grocery shopping today, brought up bags upstairs, left some bags outside and forgot about them. Went back outside to throw out garbage and realized I left the bags outside. No, the bag with the coconut milk, the salt and the sugar, I cannot find it. So I'm here at the car seeing if the bag is inside the car. Not in there, which means somebody stole my bag with my sugar, my salt and my coconut milk. Can you imagine? Now I'm wondering, what else did I buy that is not in my bag? I'm appalled. My day at work, right? Okay. Now, a lot of people don't really know what I do currently, but anyways, I help people find work, yeah? So, one of our clients contacted me to fill a position that they needed to be filled. So I had, you know, set it up and whatever, people to fill the position. The position was for a female, okay? Female, okay? Anyhow, so somebody applied for the position, yeah, and I'm going through the emails and whatever the case may be, and you know, you can't really go off a name because, yeah. Anyways, the name sounded girly, everything sounded girly, and why would a man be applying for, or anybody else be applying for a female position, yeah? Yeah. Me now, yeah, with my bubbly personality self, pick up the phone and call and say, hi, hello, where are you applying for such and such? The person say, yeah, I say, this voice kind of deep to be a woman voice. You know, some women have deep voice, but no, you can still differentiate it. This was deep. Anyways, now I ask the person on the end of the phone, say, you realize it's a woman position you apply for, right? The person say, yeah. I say, okay. Male or female? The person said, I am male. I said, okay, well, we are looking for a female for the female position. Anyways, the man was like, oh, okay, all right, no problem. Right before I come off of the phone, he was like, wait. physically I am a male, but inside I am a female. That was my face. Like, I was shocked. I'm like, okay, sir, ma'am. So me said, okay, well, we're looking for physical females, not females who feel like they're female, not ones that feel like they're female on the inside. You know what I mean? So yeah. Anyways, him said that's discrimination, blah blah blah. You are being very misleading because you specifically applied for a female position knowing that you are a male. Do you have documentation stating that you have changed sex? No answer. Okay, no answer. How tutus me come off my phone now and my phone ring back again. So I answer the phone and he said, I was just talking to you. I recorded the conversation. Take it up with the city and blah blah blah. I said, no problem, take it up with the city because them are gonna look on you and say, yeah, idiot, because you put yourself in a this position. Yeah, why you would apply for that position? Different if you are applying for a job, period, and they were discriminating against you. But I'm sorry, say you wake up today and you want to be a female. Last night you got your bed and you was a man because me and you not share the same bathroom. No, you can't be a female or a male when you feel like it. So if you're gonna be transgender, I do not have anything wrong with transgender people, gay people, whatever you want to be, you be. I can't judge. However, know yourself, but before you try to tell people about yourself, okay? Because me no say me a girl, me's a girl, that not. Now go apply for no position that's looking specifically for a male, and say me's a male just to get the job. It no works. So that was my highlight of last week. It was weird for me, and because Canada is now, oh God, even now apparently coming out with neutral birth certificates, gender neutral. So parents of the future get to decide whether or not they want to put on the birth certificate whether their child is a male or female or none of the above, and will let their children decide in the future. What? Either or, and then switch to either or. Like you. Anyhow, have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
My first lady, I'm my own lady.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mama. Happy birthday to you. Are you old? Are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Are you 10? Are you 20? Are you 30? Are you 40? Are you 50? Are you 60? Are you 70? Are you 62? Are you 63? Are you 64? Are you 65? 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 Woo! Well, make a wish.
How old are you?
Make a wish.
I wish this is 70.
No, you're supposed to say.
I will make a wish.
Don't say it out loud. Just make a wish.
Make a wish.
Because it won't come
And
true.
Don't tell anybody. Okay, and blow the candle.
Yeah.
Blow it.
Woo! All right, now cut the first piece. Zoe said you can't take it out by yourself.
You're not supposed to. Your wish won't come true.
You're supposed to cut it and make somebody else pull it in there. I didn't know that.
Yeah, just leave it in there.
And somebody else supposed to pull it out. Pull it out for her. All right. Yeah. Yeah, that's what she said. I don't know how it works because she said you're not supposed to pull it out yourself.
You're supposed to cut it and then have someone else put it out and then you cut the rest.
Yeah, because I didn't know that until I went to her birthday and she's like,
Cut up the cake.
she said that she can't pull it out herself. I'm like, what do you mean you can't pull it out yourself?
That's okay.
Hey guys, we're at my mom's birthday party. As you guys just see me saying happy birthday. and stuff. Oh, Bay's gonna. Bay's recording. All right. You can drive off. All right. Doctor, bus full.
Criminal outside.
Bus full.
People care. Watch out.
Don't call my best friend no criminal.
Criminal blood.
That's my chief bridesmaids, you guys.
Watch out.
Puffy.
Watch out. Criminal.
Mom, what do you want? It's not ready. It's not ready yet.
Sing no?
No song gotta be.
The rest of it is on there.
What song? What song?
Okay.
Just play like some alkaline.
Play some tune? Wow, some.
Can you say hi to the vlog? Can you say hi to the vlog? Everybody else's husband is so cooperative. Why can't you be cooperative?
That's them. Cause them a boy.
Everybody
Yeah,
else.
they're men.
Everybody
Man,
else
man.
vlog
They're
has
men.
husband.
Man, no man. Cause
They're
them a-
men.
What do you mean them a man?
They're men.
Hello.
Them a man, but no man for me. You understand? Give
me this. Give me my freaking camera.
Man, no man, but no man for me.
Give me say.
Blood.
She said, "Mommy, anything we
Some
say."
dirty booty you know on the vlog. Yo, turn that. Yo,
Yo,
don't
they need
put
to
that
let
on
him
the face.
out.
Yo, turn that on the
Although
face.
even
Did you see the letter that he wrote?
no.
Talking about how him soon see all him fans and whatever. Yo, I'll get copyrighted. Me, my video can't make money. Babe, Marlon, say hi now.
Rumor last night.
Say hi to the supporters.
You ain't doing that right.
They support you too.
You not support me how?
They're happy for you just like how they're happy for me.
Play in the field. When you look me in the eyes and tell me it's not real.
That's all I wanted to know. Hey.
Zoe, how Marlon telling me that Zoe don't want to go nowhere, and the same thing you're saying about me is the same thing he's saying about
My
you.
idiot.
Because like you said to the man now you want to go out and you said it to me in a voicemail, I don't remember. Voicemail? You sent me, you're like, you're gonna leave her alone, huh? You're a boxer, Yo! Big boxer? You guys, no, don't do that. I don't want to see domestic violence. I don't want to see equal rights on Marlon. Because you know if she starts fighting you, then I gotta fight you too. Don't do it.
Too much of this. You know she have too much of this. You sweat and something on them body.
I hope when I edit this and I put you in there, you're not saying nothing.
You sweat and this on them
When
body.
everybody start realizing
This.
Marlon
This.
Nakai, Wallace.
And this make them a behave so on this day. And them mother birthday, you know. And they them a behave.
But
Just
you
because of this
thought
little
they were behaving
something.
no
Just
kind
because
of
of this
way.
something.
Are you
Rum
sure?
fire. Fire not them, no. I mean, no light. I just fire.
No, fire is just ice. Because I don't feel nothing yet. I should go drink my Jacob's Creek. Like, baby, are you up for this? Give me all that semen so that I can turn on first. Me know we not no long talking. I am feeling hot tonight. Be ready to get up alright. Put me on your business. Turn Christian.
Hey.
Right?
That's funny.
Inspired to turn the